How many times have you heard this phrase, girls can't do pull-ups? Yeah, well, guess what? Girls can do pull-ups, and we're going to show you how they can do them from a modified position all the way to just a dead hang position. And yes, it is physiologically true that women do not have as much upper body strength as men. But I debunk all the theories because I feel women are stronger overall pound for pound. And we're going to show you some tips and tricks on how you, as women out there, can master pull-ups. So first of all, my lovely assistant Jen here, as you can see, is holding a resistance band. So resistance bands come in a couple different forms. This is the loop style, and these are the long kind as well. So these are basically like humongous rubber bands that have a high tensile strength to them. If you're on the shorter side, you want to get yourself a bolster such as this. So we built this aerobic plank so that you can easily reach and access the bar. So when you're first starting to do pull-ups, that is absolutely quintessential and important, unless you have an assistant standing behind you at all times. Most of the times you don't. Today we're going to show you how to get a bolster. So you want this under here so you can reach the bar safely, and you can use it as a safety mechanism in case you have to bail. So the modified pull-up we're going to show you is a band-assisted pull-up. So she's going to wrap this around, and then she's going to pull it down through, and she's going to center it right in the bar, and she's going to tug on a little bit, make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, now you have two options here. You can wrap this loop around your knee or your foot, and we're going to show you both options. So go ahead and wrap it around your knee first. Oh, you want to go foot first?
I do like foot.
Okay, we're going foot first. So she's going to extend her leg down like this. She's going to reach up, grab the bar with approximately shoulder width or slightly wider grip. I go a little wider. Now she's going to project her feet out forward, and she's going to pull herself up. Look at that. Her chin just crossed the bar. That's beautiful. Come on down. Full extension. Come back up and do one more. Exhale on your way up. Inhale on the way down. Big inhale on the way down. Big exhale on the way up. Tight abs throughout the whole exercise as well. Okay, that's good. You can stop. Pull-ups are also a good ab exercise, believe it or not, because you have to create a lot of tension in your abs. So every time you do a rep, squeeze your abs really tightly like someone's going to punch you in the stomach, like you're a boxer. Okay, now, when she puts that on her foot, like we just did, it pulls the band down pretty far, so it puts a lot of elastic tension on there. So that variation is easier than if she puts it on her knee, which we're going to do now. So go ahead and put your knee in. And she's just going to pull her leg back. She's going to grab a hold of the bar and do the exact same thing. So that could be your first variation. When that becomes easy and you start doing like 10 or 12 reps with no problem, go to your knee next. So go ahead and do a couple from here. Same rules apply. Abs are tight. She's laboring a little bit more. I can hear her breathing. See, she's not getting her chin quite up so high, so she knows where her point is. There, see? Okay, that's good. Now you can stop. So she knows where she needs to work to. So my advice here is start with your foot in the lower position, master that, then go to the knee. And this band is actually pretty thin. They make these bands really thick, a little bit longer, so you can get ones that have a lot more tensile strength to them. Start with those bands, and once you're able to do easily 10 or 12 reps, go to a lighter band, and then go to a lighter band and work your way down. And start with the foot, then go to the knee. And once you start getting to that point, get the thinnest one you could possibly find. Then eliminate it altogether. Because you've mastered your form, then just go to the box. Then grab a hold of your bar and try to do a little bit of a hop and pull yourself up and slowly lower yourself down. Land on the box, hop back up, slowly lower yourself down. So that's called the eccentric. You want to be working the eccentric range of motion coming down, and then master that. And then after you know it, you're going to be able to get rid of the box altogether and do one. Yes, just one pull-up. One pull-up 10 times, take a rest in between. Then work yourself up to 2, and then 3, and then 4. And I promise you this, you don't need to do 100 reps of sloppy, crappy pull-ups where your body's flipping and flailing like a big whale up there. Those are not pull-ups at all. I'm not going to say what they are out loud because I don't want to offend anybody. But trust me, they're not pull-ups. Always focus on a high amount of sets, a low amount of reps. So try to do like 5 reps, 10 sets, and you're going to be good to go. All right? So, all you ladies out there, and all you men out there as well, if you don't know how to do pull-ups or you can't do them, take this advice to heart, give it a spin, give it a try, practice it, and let me know how you make out. Till next time, this is Kevin David Rail.